Come on, friends, let us subscribe. Subscribed? Thank you. Today we are going to revise 100 objective questions which will come in coming online examination. Let us start. Not 1. What is lead of multi-star thread? Answer A. Pitch into number of stars. 102. What is the type of screw? Answer B. Grub screws. 103. What is the name of the nut? Answer A. 104. What is the name of nut? Answer B. Hexagon weld nut. 105. What is the name of tool? Answer of screw. Answer A. Hexagon socket head screws. 107. What is the file that is rectangular in section and parallel in width with one safe edge? Answer B. Pillar file. 108. Which file has double cut on faces and single cut at edges? Answer D. Wording file. 109. What is the name of file? Answer C. Swiss pattern file. 110. What is the name of gauge? Answer thread ring gauge. 111. What is the name of gauge? Answer B. Snap gauge. 112. What is the use of drill gauge? Answer A. Check the diameter of the drill. 113. What is marked? 13. What is marked as X? Answer A. Length. 114. What is marked as X? Answer A. Height of slip gauge. 115. What is the name of gauge? Answer D. Center gauge. 116. What is the name of gauge? Answer B. Screw pitch gauge. 117. What is the type of gauge? Answer D. Anvil type thread snap gauge. 118. What is the type of gauge? Answer A. Double-ended plug gauge. Answer 119. What is marked as X? Answer B. Progressive plug gauge. 120. What is the gauge? Answer D. Taper plug gauge. 121. What is marked as X? Answer B. Thread ring gauge. 122. What is the name of gauge? Answer B. Thread plug gauge. 123. What is the quenching media used in heat treatment to obtain faster rate of cooling? Answer A. Brine solution. 124. What is marked as X? Answer D. Ferrite. 125. What is the angle of elbows and bends that provide diversions? Answer A. 90 degree and 45. 126. What type of screws are used in the places where frequent removal and assembling? Answer A. Square head screws. 127. What type of nuts are used in coach building work? Answer A. Square nut. 128. What is the name of nut having top part in cylindrical shape and bottom part in hexagonal shape? Answer D. Castle nuts. 129. Which type of machine screw used in heavy duty assembly work? Answer D. Hexagon head screws. 130. Which type of machine screw is used in light assembly work? Answer B. Cheese head screw. 131. Which file with sharp and parallel teeth used on soft and non-metallic materials? Answer C. Dreadnought file. 132. Which file used as finishing tool and ensure precision smoothness? Answer A. Swiss pattern file. 133. What is the thickness range of BIS set of feeler gauge? Answer B. 0.02 mm to 1 mm in steps of 0.02 mm. 134. What is the height of slip gauge if Q equal to 25 degree, which is equal to 0.4226? Answer B. 42.26. 135. What is the instrument used for measuring internal diameter of workpiece? Answer C. Pair of special jaws by using slip gauge. 136. What is the calibration grade of slip gauges? Answer B. Grade 00. 138. What is the method of build-up size using slip gauges? Answer A. Ranging. 139. What is the gauge used? Answer B. Thread plug gauge. 140. What is the purpose of ring gauge? Answer A. Check the outside diameter. 141. What is the range of size in individual radius gauges? Answer A. Step of 1 mm. 142. What is the gauge to check acceptable size on external diameter of a shaft? Answer A. Ring gauge go. 143. What is the finishing process carried out with abrasive sticks to correct the profile of internal cylindrical surfaces? Answer B. Honing. 144. Which lapping material used for easy charging and rapid cutting? Answer B. Copper and brass. 145. Which lap material is inexpensive and can be expanded if worn out? Answer C. Lead. 146. Which type of abrasive material is externally hard and used in lapping for heavy stock removal? Answer A. Silicon carbide. 147. Which abrasive is used for lapping dies and gauges? Answer A. Boron carbide. 148. Which is the hardest of all abrasive materials and used for lapping tungsten carbide? Answer C. Diamond. 149. What is the abrasive used for lapping accurately, finishing very small holes? Answer B. Diamond. 150. What is the purpose of lapping vehicles? Answer A. Regulate cutting action and lubricate surface. Question number 151. Which lapping vehicle is used for lapping copper and its alloys? Answer C. Soluble oil. 152. What is the purpose of lapping tool? Answer C. Lapping tool for external cylindrical surface. 153. What is the temperature that change of structure of austenite starts at 723 degree in heat treatment process? Answer A. Lower critical temperature. Hot steel is cooled slowly and old structure is retained, and it will have fine grains that makes it easily machined. Answer A. Annealing. Question number 155. What is the name if hot steel cooled rapidly to form a new structure? Answer C. Martensite. 156. What is the process to add cutting ability and wear resistance on steel? Answer D. Hardening. 157. What is the heat treatment process to remove extreme brittleness and induce toughness and shock resistance in steel? Answer A. Tempering. 158. What is the process of steel being heated to required temperature and held in the same temperature for a period of time? Answer A. Soaking. 159. What is the purpose of brine solution? Water, oil and air used in heat treatment process. Answer B. Quenching. 160. What quenching media is used for special alloy steels? Answer D. Cold air. 161. What is the heat treatment process of reheating the hardened steel to a temperature below 400 degrees centigrade followed by cooling? Answer A. Tempering. 162. What is the advantage of annealing? Answer A. To relieve the internal stress. 163. What is the process of removing the internal defects of steel components? Answer B. Normalizing. 164. Which key is used for transmitting light torque? Answer B. Wood rough key. 165. How the mechanical properties of steel like strength, toughness, ductility are affected? Answer B. By hardening. 166. Which bearing material has poor thermal conductivity? Answer D. Laminated phenolics. 167. What is the purpose of deep groove type of ball races provided in the ball bearing? Answer C. To withstand axial thrust. 168. Why the double roller bearing is used? Answer D. To take heavy radial load. 169. Why the melting point of bearing material should be lower than that of the shaft? Answer A. Prevents shaft seizure. 170. What is the name of washer? Answer C. Internal and external washer. 171. Which alloying metal bearing can work at higher temperature and higher load carrying capacity? Answer D. Cadmium based alloy. 172. What is the method of metal coating? Answer D. Electroplating. 173. Which metal is used in electroplating to the metal surface to resist corrosion for long period and to retain high polish? Answer C. Chromium. 174. Which metal protects corrosion resistant and does not crack or peel off due to temperature? Answer A. Zinc. 175. Which corrosion resistant metal is used in chemical plant and food processing? Answer D. Stainless steel. 176. What is the purpose of thrust ball bearing? Answer D. Vertical thrust load. 177. What is the name of bearing? Answer A. Needle bearing. 178. Which bearing material is used in connecting rod and electrical motors? Answer D. Copper lead alloy. 179. What is the operation of a metal coated with other metal to obtain protecting surface? Answer D. electroplating. 180. Which metal powder is used in colorizing process to prevent corrosion? Answer D. Aluminium powder. 181. What is the temperature required to process the chromizing for prevention of corrosion? Answer D. 1300 to 1400 degree centigrade. Friends, please revise again and again until you become thorough. Question number 182. Which metal has high resistance to chemical reaction? Answer B. Nickel. 183. What is the name of part marked X? Answer D. Ball separating gauge. 184. Which bearing material is used for light loading and low speed application? Answer A. Cast iron. 185. What is the disadvantage of thrust ball bearing? B. Cannot take horizontal end thrust. 186. Why deep groove type of ball races provided in the ball bearing? Answer B. Withstand axial thrust. 187. Which bearing carry the load parallel to its bearing axis? Answer C. Thrust bearing. 188. Which bearing material is best suited for hard journals? Answer B. Aluminium alloy. 189. Which bearing material has low coefficient of friction and high material cost? Answer B. Teflon. 190. Which type of bearing used for taking high axial thrust load? Answer B. Tapered roller bearing. 191. What is the name of bearing? Answer B. Solid bearing. 192. What is the name of bearing? Answer C. Thrust bearing. 193. What is the name of bearing? Answer A. Split bearing. 194. What is the part marked as X in the bearing? Answer B. Ball case. 195. 5. Which type of bearing used for very heavy radial load? Answer D. Double row roller bearing. 196. Which type of bearing is designed to take axial thrust as well as radial load? Answer D. Angular contact ball bearing. 197. What is the name of instrument? Answer D. Height gauge with slip gauge holder. 199. Which type of bearing metal is self-lubricated? Answer B. Sintered alloy. 200. Which bearing is used in the limited space? Answer A. Needle bearing. Thank you for watching full video.